Hey guys, it's that awesome Sims Life, and this vlog is going to be about my thoughts on Queen's sister continuing the LPs, and I think that she should continue the LPs. Queen was a legend, and it would be nice for I think her name's Moongaze, for Moongaze to continue the LPs and continue Queen's dream. And all the people that disliked that video, that was really mean, because she's trying to make you guys happy. And the people who are asking to know what Queen looked like, you guys weren't asking. Well, I at least saw people asking how she looked when she was doing LPs. So you shouldn't ask if she's still not doing LPs. You shouldn't ask if she's not doing LPs. Oh my God. You shouldn't ask her sister how she looked, because it's none of your business. It's her sister's business. It is privacy, and it's straight up rude. I think that if Moongaze continued the LPs, I'd be happy, because I love the Island Paradise LP, and I can't wait to do my LPs sooner or later. And Moongaze seems really nice. She sounds just like Queen. Well, she sounds a lot like Queen, which is really cool. And she seems really sweet. And I felt really bad, but you guys she shouldn't forget about the past. She should think about the future and continue doing the LPs. I'd love that. So yeah, I saw screenshots of The Sims 4, and I loved it. I swear to God, I loved it. It was so cool. And I saw the trailer. It was awesome. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful, splendid day. Goodbye.